here at Wilson Lumber. I just picked up some Cypress for the catboat and some super sailfish handrails and sunfish replica. They've been in business for quite a while. Here's some of the material they got stacked in the yard drying out. Get all this nice air dried cypress. They usually dry it for about a year or so. And then you come in and bring your trailer, and the folks are real nice. They picked out some of the select grades, some #1 boards. When we tell them you're building a boat, they'll kind of pick through the stack a little bit and get some nice lumber for us. So we appreciate their help. They provided all the lumber for the Barbashila restoration, and a lot of the lumber, all of the cypress we used in our Penobscot 14 build. So I hope y'all are doing good today. We're gonna put this away and get back to driving on the highways.